how do we go from this to, well, this? Actually, not that difficult, but before we do that, let's go ahead and show you a couple of things that I would feel is helpful for you in terms of the arrangement of your windows. Let's say sometimes you're in the mood, you're just working on things and you're like, yo, get out my way, I need to access this plugin right here. You're all jumbled up. How do we figure out how to fix this? Go ahead and right click the toolbars, go to edit. In the edit menu, we can see things like the arrange. We're going to click and drag this up here. And by the way, I'll show you this thing right here. It's called quick tweak since we're in the edit window. Say, for example, I move this thing right here. If I were to left click and hold, we could change the output knob right there or anything that we tweaked. If you right click, we could leave this here. We can even use it as a fader horizontally or vertically. Anyways, back to this arrangement. We could click it and create our own layout where we're like, hey, I want these to be moved back where they were. So find a spot in your project that you like to have each of these things. And then once you're comfortable with it, just go ahead and left click here, arrange, go to save custom layout. And just like that, if I were to move something around, go here, go to custom, to layouts, the custom one. You can see it move back into place. But how do we go from what I showed you in the beginning, where we have so much crap in the way, to literally that? Just 4 buttons that you have to memorize. Don't worry, it's simple with your senpai. So if you had no idea, the F keys will allow you to open up windows. So F5 for this example is the playlist, F6 is the channel rack, F7 is actually the piano roll, F8 is a plugin picker, which is this thing right here. Oh my goodness. But F9, the mixer. F10 should be options, yep, and F11 is the project file credits or the info. At F12, boom, listen to me right now. F12, F5, F6, F9. Just like that. 12, 5, 6, 9, or 12, 9, 6, 5, or 12, 6, 9, 5, or 12, 6, 5, 9. As long as you remember those 4 buttons right there, you'll be beautiful. But what about the browser, Justin? You know I like the browser. Well, if you hold down the Alt button on the keyboard and then hit F8, we'll be greeted with the browser side right here. Alt F8. By the way, for those who want to know how to hide the toolbar as well as the bottom here, for the bottom taskbar, hold Alt, press Enter. And for the top toolbar, we can hold Control and press F11. And just like that, we have a full screen. And as you can see right here, I am very, very nice and clean with my work. I love to have things organized. If you want to be just like me, go ahead and click the middle right here, that video, to see more on how to organize your projects to have the best clean environment possible. Class is dismissed.